Joining you from the stand of MIWE, a German company world-renowned for their solutions in baking systems large and small, and refrigeration. Daniel Konert, what are you displaying at the show this year?
We want to show the future of the baking and the next level. Therefore, we show our newest innovation in regard that we actually support the use of the baking oven, that the oven can be actually controlled via voice as one highlight. Also, we want to show that we can actually see how the energy usage of the oven and that people can see it from the distance. And also, we want to show the automation of the full process. That means from the product going into the oven until it's actually put into the cabinet.
The theme of your exhibition here is better baking, better business. How do you support the business of retailing through your systems?
For us, it is important that the end user produce the highest quality product, but have a very easy usage of the equipment. Therefore, whenever we do an engineering of new equipment, we make sure our engineers work together with bakers to make the equipment as easy as possible usable.
Daniel Konert of MIWE, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you for the interview.